If you are struggling to pass my Forex Funds Challenge or FTMO challenge because you do not have a trading strategy that works well for you, I am going to resolve that issue, because in this video I am going to reveal one of my highly profitable trading strategy for you guys so you can learn how to pass the prop firm evaluation every single time. But before we do that, if you are new to the channel, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, and also follow me on my Instagram page. And guys, if you are looking to start with the prop firm, check out one of my recommended firm from the link in description, and also use my discount code that I have negotiated with them for you guys. Link is in description. So this strategy is called breakout trading strategy, and we will focus on 4 easy steps with the help of top-down analysis. In the first step, we're gonna find out the overall break-off market structure on the 4-hour time frame. After identifying the overall breakout, we're gonna move down to 1-hour time frame, and we will wait for the pullback from the market, because for us to take the trade, we need a better price, whether it's for sell, whether it's for buy. In our third step, I will teach you the market structure that we need on the 1-hour time frame during the pullback. After that, we're gonna go down to even lower time frame, which will be the 15-minute time frame, and we're gonna find out the market confluences, because without confirmation you should not be taking the trade. You need confirmations, you need confluences to take the trade, so you can identify whether the trade has a better chance of going to hit your take profit or not. So now let's move on to the charts, and I'm gonna show you 2 different examples, one for buy, one for sell. Now the first step, identify the break-off market structure on the 4-hour time frame. Now to do that, what you're gonna do, you need to see whether the market is going for the upside or whether the market is going for the downside on the 4-hour time frame. On this chart of Euro US dollar 4-hour time frame, we can see that market is definitely going to the upside. Now when it is going to the upside, it is making higher high and higher low sequence. We have a higher high here, market then made this higher low, then went up, broke this higher high and created a new higher high here. After it made a new higher high, we have a new higher low. So the higher high and higher low sequence are in progress. Market is going up, making highs and lows, and that's what we need. Now every time you will see there is a key resistance area. Market, when we came here, there was so much resistance at this price that it dropped, and when it came back again to this area, it could not break it initially. So there was a lot of resistance. So that is for us a key resistance area. So we can mark out our key resistance area. It's going to be acting as the break of market structure. So we have a break of market structure area here, then we made a higher high, and when we created this higher high, look what we did. We first made a pullback from here. We tried to cross it again. Market tried to cross it again. Total 3 times it got resisted from this area, and every time it went down. So whenever the market breaks this area, it's gonna be acting as a break of new market structure. So we had this strong resistance, and after that market just broke it and went to the up. So when it went to the up, we have a new resistance area here. You can see there are many break of market structure that are happening on the 4-hour time frame. But how we are gonna know whether we will get any kind of trade opportunity in the future or not? That is where the next step comes, where we need to go down to 1-hour time frame, and we need to wait for the market to make a pullback. Now this time when we broke this market structure, market created a new higher high here. It did make a pullback, but the third step, which is gonna be on the market structure during the pullback, that was not here. So as I said, we need 4 steps to confirm whether we need to take the trade or not. So the third step was missing. And don't worry, I'm gonna show you how does the market structure look like before we take the trade. Now this time when we broke this market structure, made a higher high, we also got a pullback, but this was not according to our trading strategy. But now as we have broken this resistance again, the key resistance area, and buyers, they just made a new higher high, so we are now making a pullback. When we are making a pullback, what's gonna happen? We need to go down to the 1-hour time frame. We need to apply our top 10 analysis. So first step is completed. On the 4-hour time frame, we have identified the overall break of market structure. We have very recent break of market structure, which was on the 4-hour time frame for the buy. Market broke this resistance and ended up creating a higher high, and now the pullback is happening. So the next step is, let's move down to 1-hour time frame. So now we are on the 1-hour time frame of Euro US dollar pair, and on the 1-hour time frame, this was the resistance that market recently broke, the key resistance area. So this is gonna be acting as a break of market structure, and we have our higher high right here. So when market made this higher high, we needed a pullback. and it did make a pullback. Now the question is, what kind of market structure we need during the pullback? Here is what we need. Whenever there is a strong resistance area and market breaks that resistance area, which is right here, there is a high probability that buyers, when they are breaking the resistance, they are making the higher high, they're gonna let the sellers to come towards that resistance area that they recently broke. They're gonna let the sellers come to that area so they can let people turn into the sell side, and when there will be enough sellers, then the big players, the big boys, if they are again interested in taking the buy, they will continue their trend. So we will wait until the market comes to that level of resistance. We will retest that level. There will be some rejections. There will be proper pullback. The pullback is gonna be like this. There is gonna be a movement from the sellers, then buyers will come, then movement from the sellers, then buyers will come, movement from the sellers, buyers will come, movement from the sellers, buyers will come. There will be couple of rejections here, and when there will be couple of rejections, then we will take the trade from here. Now every time when there are going to be rejections, they have to happen on the area of the market breakout structure, where the market broke the structure on the 4-hour time frame, the key resistance area. After the pullback, when the market will come to retest that area, that's where we need market structure, that's where we need rejections. Then we can go down to the 15-minute time frame. Now let me show you first how does the structure look on the 1-hour time frame on Euro US dollar pair. So here you can see buyers made a higher high, and look how the sellers are coming down. They're coming down, then buyers are going up again. They're coming down, buyers are going up again. They're coming down. When they reach that area of the key resistance breakout, look, we have our first rejection, buyers went up. We have our second rejections when the sellers came down again, buyers went up again. Again the third rejection, and buyers have now started to go up again. So that's the kind of structure, market structure we need. We have the key resistance area on the 4-hour time frame which got broken for the buy side. Market made the new higher high after breaking that key resistance area on the 4-hour time frame. Then we came down to the 1-hour time frame to look for a pullback. When the pullback was coming, we waited for the market structure, which is our third step. Now after the market structure, we're not gonna randomly take the trade. We need confluence. And the confluence are gonna be multiple rejections, and for that we need to go down to one time frame lower, which is 15-minute. So let's move down to one time frame lower now. Alright, so now we are on the 15-minute time frame of Euro US dollar pair, and that is the key resistance area that market broke, the previous market structure area, and that's gonna be our new higher high. So we have a higher high, we have the key resistance that got broken. So when the market came to that level right at this area, we got our first rejection. Now when we got our first rejection, keep one thing in mind. We are only gonna be counting a rejection after this first one when market will actually try to go lower than this low of the first rejection. So when market will come down, it has to go lower than this area. Otherwise, we are not gonna consider any rejection. If market will just come to this area and go up again, that's not gonna work as our rejection because we never really went lower than the low of first rejection. So for us to consider a rejection, us to consider something, a confirmation, market has to go down, then comes back up. That's gonna be acting a rejection. So now we have one rejection. We know that buyers, after they made this rejection, they went up. So we are at the breakout of market structure area as well. We're gonna just wait until the market will come lower than this area again. That will be our second rejection if we get buyers again after that movement from the sellers. And when we will have two rejections, we will be taking the trade right at the third rejection. So here is how the market structure is gonna look like. Sellers will come down, buyers will go up again. We have first rejection, we have second rejection. After that, sellers has to come again lower than the second rejection. If they will and buyers will take a movement, we can take the entry. We can enter for the buy. We'll be placing our stops lower than the third rejection and our target at the recent higher high. So let's see how the sellers, they are gonna come, whether we will have second rejection, whether we will have third rejection or not. So we have our second rejection right here. When we came down right at this area, sellers, they tried to go lower than that, but they failed and buyers immediately went up. So that's gonna be our entry. We can place our top loss lower than the third rejection and we can place the target here. And now market is moving towards the upside. We're reaching our take profit area. We have all the rejections, all the confluences. We took the trade. Market is now going towards our take profit slowly. We have our stop loss in place. We have our take profit in place. And here we go. We just hit our take profit. It took some time from the market to reach towards our take profit, but we were patient. We knew what we were doing. We had our strategy. We followed our trading plan and we let market do its thing. Now let's move on to the second example, which is going to be on the sell side. So on the 4-hour chart of US dollar Swiss franc, we have the sell trade. Market is going to the downside. When I said market needs to go to the down if we want to sell, there has to be the break of market structure. Market broke this strong support level, then went down, created a lower low. Then there was this strong support level again right here. Market broke it, and when we broke it, we also created a small supply level right here, and that can also be worked as a strong support because market did stop here for a while on the 4-hour time before sellers broke it to the down. So we can use either this support level or this support level as a whole to act as a reference because market broke this structure while making a lower low on the 4-hour time frame. So we have the strong movement to the down. We broke the strong spot. The next step, we need to go down to 1-hour time frame. So on the 1-hour time frame, we have this strong support level which we can see. What we need pullback. After market created this lower low right here, it has started to make a pullback. Buyers are going to the upside, and when they are going to the upside, we need a market structure. So what kind of a market structure we need? We first need one rejection. After this rejection, we will wait from the buyers to come a little higher than that area, the high of the first rejection, and the sellers, they need to come down again. Afterwards, buyers need to go up for the third rejection on the 15-minute time frame. If that will happen, we will simply just take the trade. We'll place our stops here higher than the rejections, and we'll be placing our target on the lower low. So now let's see whether the market is gonna come make some rejections on the 15-minute time frame, whether we will get enough confluences to take the trade or not. Okay, so we have our first rejection right here. So what we need buyers to come higher than this area and make the second rejection, and after that we will take the entry at the third rejection. Voila, we have our second rejection right here. So we now are close for the final confirmation, which is gonna be whether the market will try to break this high of the second rejection. If it will, it should be failing. There should be enough pressure from the sellers and market needs to drop so we can take the trade. And now the buyers are gonna come up again. Yes, and when they're coming up, you see that we are having a rejection here, and when we are having rejections, we can take the trade, place our stops higher than the third rejection, and our target at the lower low. It's gonna be acting as a very nice trade opportunity. So let's wait until the market reaches our take profit or stop loss. And here we go. Market just hit our take profit. So that's how you can use this trading strategy if you are looking to pass either My Forex Fund evaluation, FTMO evaluation, or forexprofirm.com evaluation, or any other prop firm evaluation. It's up to you which firm you want to go with. If you want to take a challenge with one of my recommended firm, again the link is in description. You can also use my code. And if you guys have not yet enrolled into my mentorship program, make sure that you take this opportunity. You join the Falcon Trader mentorship program. You get free access to Discord community where I will be helping you answer all of your questions. I will be helping you become a funded trader. So thank you for watching, guys. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section, and do not forget to follow me on my Instagram. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.